Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any Flutter online glossary admin app inside. Today we need to create here the product tabs we need to develop here. First of all, now need to go inside into view folders and to create here the new folders and to give this here the name product tab underscore tab like this write downs and to create here the product tab UI. Create here the new files we need to write down here the product tab screen dot dots like this to write downs, and first of all we need to create here the stateful widgets product tab screen, and now need to set here's materials like this sets here's and to configure this here's. Now we need to set here the scaffold and to write down here the f bars. Set here the titles need to set here true, and we need to set u equation set here 0, and we need to set here the background colors color dot transparent, and to set here the lettings and to set icon buttons. Set here icon and to develop here the filter button icon button on press event to write down here, and now need to draw here UI image dot assets and to pass this here the assets slash img slash filter underscore ig dot png like this. Need to write down and to give this here the width 20, and also need to set here the height 20. Like these configurations are the needs and to configurations. And now need to create here the titles. Need to use this here the text. Set here titles product list, and now need to set here the styles text styles colors. So need to give this here the t color primary text. Now need to set here the font size 20, and now need to set here the font weight. Like this need to write down here and to setting this here. Now we need to create here the body to write down here the body, and now set here the obx, and now need to develop here the grid view builders, and now need to set here the delegates const silver grid fixed cross axis counts. We need to set here counts. We need to give this here the 2, and also need to set here the child aspect ratio. We need to set this here 0.75. Then after we need to set here the cross axis spaces. We need to set here the 15, and main axis spacings we need to set here the 15. Like these configurations are the needs and to configure this here. Then after we need to configure here the context builders. We need to set for the context index like this configures, and to return this here the UI, where we need to get this here the object is equal to write down here the list. Use this here to declare here the view models. Need to set here where pvm is equal to get, and put this here extensions need to set here. Product view model, like product view model wrong here. Clear here and to set this here. Now we need to set here dispose and to write down here get dot delete and to set here get inside explore view models and to write down here semicolons. Now use this here's pvm dot list array. Set here the length, not length, we need to set here the index of value, need to get here's semicolons. Now need to return here's, need to set here the product cell and to pass this here the object and on receive. Now also need to check here's go definitions and to set this here the value. Maybe we need to change here the models. Product detail like the set configurations and now need to save. Move here. Also now need to go in the cells and remove here the cards, no needs. Also remove here. Set here. Remove here the cards, semicolons, and now need to set here's item count is equal to write down here the pvm dots, we need to set here's list array and length we need to set here's. And now need to set here the padding. Const edges insert symmetric horizontals, so need to set this here the 20 and verticals also need to set here 20. Like these configurations are the needs and to set this here. Now need to go inside the main tab view and to configure these tabs. Now need to go and to set here the first tab, give this here the name shop to product. Now need to change here tabs, const product tab screen and to save this here. Now need to run this project. Now check here the console logs and to test this here the UI. And tomorrow need to create here the add new products, you need to create here the UI and then after need to call this here the add actions, you need to calls inside the view models need to connect and to like these configurations. Now UI are the loads and now need to check here. Like this showing here the UI and these configurations need to show here. Maybe we need to change here. Product tab inside. Like this show. Like this UI are the show, and to check this here, why not loads here the image. Check here the response, but we need to not get here the image for this product. That's why need to not showing here. To we need to see this here the first of all the set here the fix this here the image issue and to setting. Then after need to call this here the add new product. You have need to develop yours. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.